Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm pretty sure based on the ingredients that you're seeing on the screen, you can guess what I will be making today, right? So even if you didn't see the title, you could have guessed. So yes, as the title states, I will be baking an Oreo cheesecake. Like, I absolutely love cheesecake. I love Oreos. So put the two together, perfect combination. Alright, a match made in heaven. These are just a few of the ingredients that I will be using today, so please do stick around to see the finished product of my Oreo cheesecake, guys. You're gonna want to try this recipe at home. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done it as yet, go ahead and click it now. I'll wait. Thank you. Go ahead and comment below. You don't have to do that right now, but make sure you comment before the video ends, and share this video on your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about my Oreo cheesecake. And if you're new to my channel, or you're watching my videos but you're not yet a subscriber, please, what are you waiting for? You're watching, might as well subscribe. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me, please. Again, I'll wait. Thank you. Alright guys, let's jump into today's video. Alright guys, so first things first, we're gonna make, or we're gonna make the crust, right? Now I'm just gonna use one pack of my Oreos. There's 12 in total. If you have a Ziploc bag, you can use that. So I'm just using a clear plastic bag. And also, if you have a food processor, well, that's the best thing to use. Alright, so I'm just gonna tie this. Could be a little bit more, but nobody got time for that right now. Ain't nobody got time for that right now. Okay, so the best thing to use when you're baking a cheesecake is a spring form baking tin. No, I don't have one of that. So because I don't have one of that, I'm going to be using this. The reason why I'm using this disposable one for the cheesecake specifically is because when it's finished, what I can do, and yes, I've greased it, and a lot of people don't grease the tin when they're doing cheesecake, but not me. So when I finish bake and set, what I will do is to get my kitchen knife and I'll cut the sides and pull them back, and that way I'll be able to lift the cake off the bottom. So I'll show you guys. You'll see what I'm talking about, guys. You just have to use your hand, make fashion, get inventive in the kitchen, and all. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Guys, I'm sorry about my background noise. I've been getting a fight since night. Each time I try to record something else, but hey, the show must go on, right? Alright, so I've already added 2 tablespoons melted butter. I almost forgot that the camera wasn't on, so this is the third one. And then I'm just gonna mix this together. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna rest this in the fridge. Another way to do this is to put it in the oven and let it bake for 10 minutes. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge to chill until I finish making the cheesecake batter. Alright, I'm gonna get my mixer. So this is 1 cup granulated sugar. This is 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. This is 1 tablespoon vanilla flavoring. And I have half teaspoon salt. Be careful with that because I'm a klutz. Alright. And I have 3 eggs and 1 extra egg yolk. So 3 eggs and an extra egg yolk. And I have 3/4 cup sour cream here. This is homemade sour cream, that's why it looks this way. So I'm just going to be using half cup of this. And those are my ingredients for now. Don't let anybody tell you that baking a cheesecake isn't hard work. It is, but it is so satisfying and it's rewarding when you get to that end product and you slice a cheesecake. Heaven, heaven. So I'm gonna add the 1 cup of sugar. Guys, please don't forget to scrape down the sides because the batter is so thick. Some other ingredients goes up and then it's not combined fully, and you don't want that. So you need to scrape down the edges, right? have a little bit left, so what I'm gonna do is to put this into my muffin tin and get a little, you know, a little muffin going on here. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna clean this mess up. Now you can use the water bath method. That's what I'm gonna use to prevent as much cracks in the cake as I can. And if you don't know what that is when you put your baking tin into another baking container, you put it into something else with water. So I'm going to bake this for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Then after 10 minutes, I'm going to turn it down without opening the oven for another 40 to 50 minutes. There you have it. So I have a glass of warm water. I'm just gonna put the knife in it. I'm gonna dry that off. I'm gonna work around the edges. Voila! I'm gonna get this off and put it on a plate. Wow! Disposable baking tin. Yo, I'm getting a fight tonight, yo. Alright guys, so the best thing to use, wow,